industrial advancements have come with both negative and positive impacts. With ineffective ways and methods of dealing with e-wastes, these materials have threatened the health of people and safe status of the environment. Millions of tons of e-wastes are the results of different manufacturing companies. For your information, the aforementioned figure refers to the amount of wastes in a single year. You can stop this by practicing scrap metal recycling. Phoenix. It is a common thing that people and large firms dispose their wastes on landfills and dumping sites. With each passing days, such areas expand and cover larger areas. The increasing areas is something that people should discourage. The other negative impact that arises from the practice of dumping is the spread of toxins into the neighboring areas. With effective ways of reusing most of the wastes, the environment will be free of toxins. In most cases, manufacturers use different products and elements during the production process. The downside of this process is that on careless disposal, the harmful elements will find their way to the surrounding areas. Since to some extent, manufacturers have to use such elements, the responsibility of ensuring proper disposal lies on the users. Apart from disposal, people can learn how to use old products instead of disposing them. For instance, most of the computer hardware contains many things that people can reuse without the need to undertake any processing. In the case of big and established companies, the practice of using old parts is part of their daily practices. They have disposal facilities on which people can place wastes. After undertaking some sorting processes, the responsible people will determine the parts that they can use again. There have been instances where developing countries send their e-wastes to developing countries. On reaching such countries, the unemployed people do offer cheap labor in disintegrating the wastes. The negative part in undertaking this step is that such people do not practice effective preventive measures from toxins contained in the wastes. In turn, the chemicals can affect them and their future generation. If each person in the developed countries can recycle used products, such an abuse cannot occur. From the economic point of view, widespread practice of reusing electronic products will benefit the economy. Do not worry about how this can happen. It is evident that if each individual can use their old products, the demand for such products will reduce. In turn, the responsible companies will not have to start their production process from scratch. The cost of production will go down and customers will be able to purchase other things at low prices. The reduction in energy consumption is also another importance of implementing the reuse of used tools. Such a case can happen since a given firm will not need to undertake many production processes in order to satisfy the demand of a certain product. In the process of using less energy, the firm can save lots of money. For people to enjoy full benefits of scrap metal recycling, Phoenix offers qualified professionals should be in charge of the process. Always do your part. Other people will learn from you.